The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a flash flood warning for northern Wells County in south-central North Dakota until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible across northern Wells County. Flash flooding is ongoing. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected